Okay, thank you all so much again for taking the time to join Amtrak Vacations here today. And first and foremost, let me just take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Jim Marini, proudly the Director of Sales for Amtrak Vacations. And for those of you that are joining us for the first time, I'm excited to announce we have 1,327 people that have signed up, which is absolutely exciting. For those of you that are joining us again, thank you so much for your support. We definitely look forward to seeing all of you on board in the near future with Amtrak Vacations. So as always, I like to give out a little prize at the end of my presentation. So at the end of today, we're not only giving a $50, we're actually giving a $100 Amtrak Vacations gift certificate. So stay tuned to see if you are that lucky person. I also want to mention that today we're going to also be offering a little extra special booking discount available just for taking the time to attend today's presentation on select rail vacations, which I will highlight today throughout my presentation. I also want to encourage each of you, if you have a pen and paper, please feel free to jot down our 800 number to make your reservation today. Our agents are here waiting, or certainly you can book any of these exciting packages through your local travel agent as well. Again, thanks so much for joining. So with that in mind, as always, I like to keep my presentation short and sweet because I do appreciate your time. So let's get started. Whether you've traveled with Amtrak Vacations or not, one of the things I always like to point out at the beginning of every one of my presentations is why travel with Amtrak Vacations. Well, in talking to many of our travelers over the years, one of the most common reasons, and hopefully for many of you on today's call here, it's a bucket list experience. It's a wish list experience to be able to travel in the beautiful country here of the United States and to travel on Amtrak, have your hotels, meals, sightseeing, all of that taken care of. That's definitely a great experience, and Amtrak Vacations can take care of that for you. Also, less hassle. Everything now is electronic, e-ticketing, e-documents. So certainly whether it's Amtrak Vacations or your local travel agent, we try to make it as easy as we can to travel with us. Satisfy your hunger. I always love that particular portion. Definitely on any of the overnight trains, save your appetite. There are private chefs on board. Food is fresh, made to order, so keep that in mind. City-to-city service. I always use the examples of both Penn Station in New York City as well as Glacier National Park. There truly is not a better way to travel in and out of those particular areas, as well as throughout the United States, than on Amtrak. And as an example, when you arrive in Penn Station, you get out of this train, you depart, you arrive, you are in the heart of New York City. You're in the heart of Times Square. Also, flexibility, multiple departures daily throughout the country, and room to roam. Yes, we want you to get up, walk around, stretch your legs, and enjoy the entire experience. Also, as I go through here today, I want to encourage each and every one of you, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to type those away. I will do my very best within our limited time of today's presentation to answer as many as I can at the end, okay? So feel free to type away any questions you may have. So where does Amtrak Vacations go to? You know, I always love showing this map, everyone. Amtrak actually travels to 46 out of the 48 continuous states within the United States. In fact, the only two states we do not actually travel through are the states of Wyoming and South Dakota within, again, the continental United States. If you look at the map, all the red lines is where Amtrak travels through. And if you look at the green lines, that's actually Amtrak's thruway service, bus thruway service, to get each and every one of you to those exciting places such as Yellowstone National Park, Las Vegas, as an example. Okay, so keep that in mind. This past year, over 31 million people traveled on Amtrak, everyone. Over 31 million people traveled. And I will mention there's over 500 stations throughout the United States, so take advantage of the closest one near you. All right, so definitely keep that in mind. So which style travel is best for you? Well, here at Amtrak Vacations, everyone, we have actually not only 5, we have actually 6 different options available for you. One of our most popular is our independent rail journeys in the top left-hand corner. And these trips, typically, these rail vacations are going to range anywhere from 7 to 10 up to 12 days, traveling more at leisure. We include a certain amount of items, but we try to give you that flexibility to travel where and when you want. Also, daily departures available, and you have also a nice range of hotels that you can stay at, from moderate level all the way up to deluxe level, okay? Escorted rail journeys, those are the trips for those of you who like to have everything pretty much taken care of. You want the comfort of having an Amtrak Vacations tour guide or a tour escort with you. You want to have most of your meals included. Again, really more for the traveler who likes everything a little more pre-planned and structured than you'd consider one of our escorted rail journeys. Certainly one of our most popular journeys is our rail getaways. These typically range in length from 3 to 5 days, and they travel all throughout the United States. We even have rail and sail as well as family adventures. And the last item I will mention is we can customize any of your trips. We can start and end, make them as long or as short as you would like. And I always mention, chances are whatever trips and rail vacations that you're thinking of, everyone, chances are we probably already have a package that goes there. In fact, most of our packages and vacations were all designed based on our feedback from all of our travelers of where they wanted to go, when, how many days they were looking to travel. But always know, again, you have that flexibility to customize any trip anytime throughout the year. All right, so keep that in mind. I also want to mention something interesting. Over 50% of our travelers, everyone, will actually fly round trip to and or from the starting or ending point, or they'll actually take the train from your local train station to the starting point and maybe fly home. So again, you have the option to go round trip on Amtrak, which is a wonderful experience, or you have the option to go one way in either direction or even fly round trip. It's your choice. Again, over 50% of our travelers do all three of those options that I mentioned. So as promised, we have some new and exciting trips for 2016. And what I did today, and I hope you enjoy it, is I also tried to point out which particular rail vacations are our brand new ones. So you'll see that as I go through. Now, something that I'm very, very excited to share with all of you, and I want to leave this on the screen just for a minute. We're very excited to announce that we are supporting America's National Parks. So as you can see here, we are now a proud partner of the National Park Foundation. So wherever you see Park Adventures logo on any of our U.S. National Park tours, you'll actually be making a contribution to the National Park Foundation at no additional cost to you. Isn't that great, everybody? So I really want to say how proud I am to be part of this. And certainly when it comes to national parks, everyone, that is Amtrak Vacations. Again, keep us in mind. Give us a call. That number again, everyone, 1-800-268-7252. Or certainly you can visit us online at www.amtrakvacations.com. All one word, amtrakvacations.com. And since we're talking about the national parks, everybody, why not feature our most popular region of the United States, which, of course, is the national parks, and in particular, everyone, the Grand Canyon. Over 5 million people visit the Grand Canyon every year. The Grand Canyon itself, actually, everyone, obviously located in the state, beautiful state of Arizona, actually became a park back in 1919. Most people actually consider the Grand Canyon to be one of the 7 wonders of the world. And as you can see here with some of the absolutely breathtaking pictures, they estimate it's over 277 miles long. The widest point is up to 18 miles across and up to 6,000 feet deep, believe it or not, up to 6,000 feet deep. It is absolutely spectacular. And really what I want to do is point out some of our best and most popular rail vacations within the Grand Canyon. Now, of course, on any of our packages, as you'll see here today, we do, again, always have 3-, 4-, and 5-day getaways. Again, you have the option to make any of these trips as long or as short as you want. And then, of course, we have some of our most popular packages, such as the Grand Canyon Discovery in the bottom right-hand corner. Above, you can see the map. So this, as you can see, starts from Chicago, where we have an overnight journey out to Santa Fe before spending time in Flagstaff, Sedona, and then, of course, over into the Grand Canyon itself. Absolutely amazing. So again, you'll have lots of great options. And in fact, something interesting to share with all of you, we have almost 20 different packages available to the Grand Canyon, ranging in length as short as 3 or 4 days all the way up to 12 days long. So again, lots of great options. Now, a brand new itinerary, brand new tour that we have come out with, and as promised, I will highlight any of the new ones, is in the top left-hand corner, Grand Canyon Getaway, which includes round trip from Chicago. So for any of you located in the Midwest or want to just start in Chicago and leave without spending any overnights, now you have that opportunity there. You also have a great opportunity in the right-hand side to take advantage of our Rails to the Grand Canyon, which is also another round-trip rail vacation, except this one is based in Los Angeles, where we'll spend a couple nights right in the Grand Canyon. I did want to mention, too, that we also use the Grand Canyon Railway. So to me, on any of the Grand Canyon packages, not only do you get the wonderful experience traveling on Amtrak, wherever you decide to start and or finish, but you also get the opportunity to travel on Grand Canyon Railway. Now, keeping with our national parks theme, because again, here at Amtrak Vacations, it is our most popular region, Glacier National Park. As you can see here, it's absolutely breathtaking. They estimate there's over 762 lakes within Glacier National Park, but only 131 of them actually have names associated with the lake itself. Of course, Glacier National Park, located in the beautiful state of Montana. And as I mentioned at the beginning of today's presentation, there truly, truly is not a better way to get to Glacier National Park than traveling on the Empire Builder into Glacier National Park. They estimate there's over 1 million acres in Glacier National Park. Absolutely beautiful. So here we go. This right here is some of our most popular packages. So you can look, we have everything from, again, a 3 or 4 day getaway all the way to a great Glacier National Park discovery in the bottom right-hand corner. And as you can see on the map, everyone, we are offering a special early booking discount on select itineraries. So I want you to keep this in mind as I go through, because some of these particular rail vacations, we are offering an early booking discount. So in this case, we're offering $200 off per couple if you book before September 30th. So keep that in mind, okay? Also, for those of you that would like a little bit different experience and would like to start in Chicago and then just go right to Glacier National Park, you might want to consider our Glacier National Park Express Tour. So the difference of this particular vacation versus the previous vacation is this one does not stop in Minneapolis. It starts in Chicago and has your overnight journey on Empire Builder out to Glacier National Park, where we spend a few nights, again, absolutely beautiful, before having another overnight journey out to Seattle for the remainder of the trip. Now, one of the things I always like to mention anytime I'm talking about any rail vacations that either start or end in Seattle is we also have the opportunity here at Amtrak Vacations to also be able to book any Alaska cruises that you could extend onto your trip from Seattle. All right, so keep that in mind. We definitely can do that, or certainly your local travel agent can as well. So either way is the right way. Now, these next two particular rail vacations I wanted to really bring attention to because of the wealth in savings that we're offering. This is one of our 2 national parks escorted tours that we are offering for next year. And look at the savings, everybody. $400 off per couple, only good if you book with a small deposit before the end of this month to travel anytime next year. So you get to choose. And as I mentioned at the beginning of today's presentation, for those of you that want that comfort of having an Amtrak Vacations tour escort or a tour guide with you from the time you start in Chicago all the way until the time you end in Seattle, you want most meals included, as you can see here. 16 meals are included. It is a great value. Now, unlike our independent journeys, which operate every day, there's daily departures, our escorted tours have departures typically once every 1 to 2 weeks. So keep that in mind. These sell out faster. In fact, most of the national parks is very hard to get space inside the parks, inside the lodges. We here at Amtrak Vacations are able to do that for each and every one of you, so keep that in mind. So that's one of our 2 escorted tours. The second one that I'm going to feature is in the beautiful area of Yellowstone National Park, which is considered the world's first national park back in 1872. 96% of Yellowstone National Park is located in the beautiful state of Wyoming, 3% in Montana, and 1% in Idaho. Now, what's interesting about this particular national park, it's actually larger than the states of Rhode Island and Delaware combined. Imagine that, everyone. The national park's larger than 2 of our own states here in the United States. So our second escorted tour that I want to feature is certainly one that has done absolutely tremendous for us, and this is one I'm going to highly encourage each and every one of you. Again, if you like traveling as an escorted tour where, again, it's more structured, you have the comfort of that tour guide, tour escort, again, this is one to consider. This has done tremendous for us. You'll see on this one, we actually start in Seattle. It also includes Glacier National Park, and then on top of it, it includes Yellowstone National Park. There's over 40 major waterfalls within Yellowstone National Park, and they estimate it's about 63 miles long, even just some of the waterfalls itself. Absolutely amazing. And then the last national park that I'll feature is Yosemite National Park. And Yosemite is certainly one of our most requested national parks here in the United States. Now, we not only have one, we actually have 2 brand new tours to Yosemite, including Yosemite National Park. One of them is our Rocky Mountains to Yosemite. How great is that? You get a chance to view the beautiful Colorado Rocky Mountains. We have a tour of Yosemite National Park. Lots to see and do here. Again, these are independent style trips, which means they operate daily. You have daily departures available. We also have Yellowstone to Yosemite in the bottom right-hand corner, which up above in the map, as you can see, that is the routing of this particular tour itself. So what you'll see is when we actually travel from Salt Lake City, we will travel on a shuttle transfer from Salt Lake over to West Yellowstone, where we'll spend 2 nights before heading back on our overnight journey out to San Francisco for the remainder of the tour. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the presentation, again, wherever Amtrak does not physically travel through by train, typically we offer some type of motor coach bus throughway service, or in this case shuttle service, to still bring you to some of these beautiful places here in the United States. Now, something I'm very excited about, everybody, is our brand new, what we call our rail experiences. So for those of you joining us here today who are interested in really more of the rail experience, there's 3 exciting packages that we've just come out with. I'm very, very excited about these, and I hope all of you are as well, because I think this really is something that has been requested, and certainly now it is available. So again, this is really for those of you who want to experience true traveling on Amtrak, on rail, and experiencing overnighting on the rail. So as you can see here, here is our Northern Rail experience. Okay, this one leaves Chicago. Notice we do not spend any overnights in Chicago. However, you do have the option, again, just a reminder, not only on this trip, but any of our trips, to be able to add extra days, sightseeing tours before, after, during. Again, lots of flexibility. Again, you can customize any packages that you would like. But this is really a package that's been designed purely by requests of so many of our travelers. So as you can see, we leave Chicago. We have a 2-night beautiful journey traveling up along the Empire Builder, across the Lakes region, over into the northern plains, crossing through the beautiful mountains, and then on our way to the Cascade Mountains in Seattle, where we do spend a night for the evening before then boarding again the next day on Coast Starlight as we leave Seattle and travel south down into San Francisco. Again, another overnight experience. Now, one of the things to keep in mind on all of our independent trips that I'm mentioning here today, our pricing is always based in coach seating. However, we always offer the option to upgrade to a roomette or a bedroom, which I will tell you about in just a little while, okay? Again, keep those questions coming, everyone, as I'm going through. Any questions you have, please feel free to type those away. From there, we spend 2 nights in San Francisco, and then it is 2 nights back over to Chicago on the famous California Zephyr. So keep this in mind, as well as know not only do you have the wonderful experience traveling overnight on Amtrak, but we also include some great sightseeing tours. We have a hop-on, hop-off sightseeing tour in both Seattle and San Francisco, a guided tour of Muir Woods and Sausalito, even a sightseeing bay cruise in San Francisco. So again, lots to see and do. Now our second Pacific Rail experience, which again, this is more for those of you that really want to experience the rail travel of Amtrak Vacations. This starts in Chicago as well, but as you can see on this particular trip, we have our overnight journey out to Los Angeles. So we have our 2-night journey from Chicago over to Los Angeles. This is on the Southwest Chief, which is a great, great train. And we have a chance to travel through the Great Plains, the beautiful Southwest, before spending a night in Los Angeles. From there, then we have a full-day journey. As you can see, it's not an overnight from Los Angeles up to San Francisco. It's a full-day journey. However, we do always recommend to consider getting a roomette so you're comfortable, you have your own private space. By the way, any of you that upgrade to either roomettes or bedrooms, I'll mention this right now. Once you upgrade to a roomette or a bedroom, not only do you have your own private sleeper accommodation, but you also get any meals that are offered during your train experience at no additional charge. So keep that in mind. From there, we spend 3 nights in San Francisco, and then it is back on our 2-night journey from San Francisco to Chicago, again on the beautiful California Zephyr. So keep this particular itinerary in mind as well. And also, again, know that hop-on, hop-off tours are offered, as well as other great sightseeing tours as well. And the last one that I'll mention is our Western Rail experience, which, as you can see the trend here, everyone, all of these trips, all of these rail vacations start and end in Chicago. They are round-trip rail vacations from Chicago. Chicago really, when it comes to Amtrak, as I'm sure many of you that have traveled on Amtrak are aware, it really is the hub, the heart of the United States, where all of the long-distance overnight trains start and or end. Now, this particular trip, really, this is what we call our ultimate train loop. So for those of you that just want that full ultimate experience, here's a great package, everyone. Again, 2 nights heading out to Los Angeles on the Southwest Chief, where we spend a night. Then from there, we have a full-day journey up to San Francisco. And then San Francisco, after spending 2 nights, we then continue north up to Seattle, where we will have an overnight train. And this, again, is on one of course, the best train rides, which is the Coast Starlight, beautiful evergreen mountains, the Pacific coastline. And then from Seattle, it is on the beautiful Empire Builder back to Chicago. Again, keep this package, keep this vacation in mind, everyone. Our agents are here. Your travel agents are there waiting to help each and every one of you plan these wonderful experiences. So again, just a reminder for those of you that might have joined us a little bit later, if you have a pen and paper, please feel free to write down our 800 number or contact your local travel agent to take advantage of any of these great vacations, as well as some of those that also we're offering some early booking discounts as well. Again, just a reminder, at the end, I will give out a $100 Amtrak Vacations gift certificate. So let's see if you are the lucky person. Moving along, Niagara Falls, everyone. Niagara Falls, absolutely one of the most beautiful places just over the border into our neighbor up in Canada. The falls itself, as you can see, they're actually located on the border of Ontario, Canada, and New York. It's actually made up of 3 falls, believe it or not. It's made up of the American Falls, it's made up of the Bridal Falls, as well as the Horseshoe Falls. Now, the Horseshoe Falls, they are the largest of all of the falls, and the Bridal Falls are actually the smallest. But it is amazing, and they estimate, everyone, imagine this, about 30 million people visit Niagara Falls every year. Absolutely amazing. Now, we do have a couple great little packages to consider. We have one that even goes up to Toronto. So if you want to travel from Niagara Falls and head over to Toronto, you can do that. We do have also a 3-day, 2-night Niagara Falls getaway. And again, just a reminder, everyone, any of these rail vacations can be customized to be as long or as short as you want and to start and or end wherever you would like. Again, over 50% of our travelers will fly either round trip or fly one way and take Amtrak either to the starting point or at the end, as well as round trip. Of course, one of my favorite cities in all of the world, really, let alone here in the United States, is the famous New York City. Look at this, everyone. Absolutely amazing. They estimate over 250 films are shot in New York City. There's over 4,000 restaurants located just within New York City itself. As you can see in this next picture, it certainly is one of the hubs for lots of business worldwide. Certainly one of the most popular cities in the world. Believe it or not, the first pizza restaurant actually opened in New York City back in the 1800s. So you get a lot of history here, absolutely fascinating, and certainly some great packages as well. So just like Niagara Falls, we do offer nice 3, 4, 5-day New York City getaways that include some of the attractions such as City Pass as an example, which will get each and every one of you into a lot of those attractions that you definitely want to see. They're what we call the must-see attractions. And I could tell you firsthand, when I've taken advantage of having City Passes, typically there's 2 lines. One line is usually very long, and the other line that's shorter. Typically, those are the City Pass folks. Those are the people like yourselves who have those City Passes where you can get in and out of a lot of these attractions much faster than people just buying tickets right there and then on the spot. We also have, now this is a new one, as you can see right here on the right-hand side, Niagara Falls Getaway, including a round-trip train from Penn Station up to Niagara Falls. This is a full-day experience, but it's absolutely wonderful. You travel up through the East Coast, crossing up into Canada, and this is round-trip, everyone, so keep that in mind as well. So you've probably noticed that as I've gone through my presentation today, more round-trip opportunities out of some of the great cities, whether it's Los Angeles, Chicago, and in that case, of course, New York. Now, moving along, here we have New Orleans, otherwise known as Nolans, right? Lots of great jazz music, Cajun-style food, right? The French Quarter. I can go on and on. Shall I mention beignets? For those of you that are familiar with beignets, they're basically fried dough with cinnamon and sugar. It's delicious, everyone. So keep that in mind. New Orleans Getaway, again, you can see the trend as I go through all these great destinations and cities that you have that flexibility, everyone, whether it's 3, 4, 5 days all the way up to 7, 10, 12 days long. Now, one of our most popular, absolutely most popular itineraries is our Jazz, Blues, Rock and Roll. That's in the bottom right-hand corner, everyone. As you can see, 2-night Chicago with an overnight down to Memphis. Again, pricing always based in coach seating, okay, with 2 nights in Memphis before having a train down to New Orleans. And this is known as, this is a great opportunity, so you'll have a chance to travel on this particular tour, and the train itself is known as City of New Orleans. That starts in Chicago and travels all the way down south to beautiful New Orleans. Chicago, speaking of Chicago, one of my personal favorite cities. To me, probably one of the cleanest cities that I've ever been to anywhere in the United States. Absolutely amazing. They estimate there's almost 5,000 restaurants in the city, more than 200 theaters, 60 museums. I actually just went recently to the Willis Tower, which was formerly the Sears Tower, and it's 110 stories high. And believe it or not, there's actually a little area right outside of the tower at the top. It's a glass overview that actually is built outside of the actual tower at the very top. So it is definitely an experience, but certainly a very fun one, to say the least. Of course, Chicago, known as the Windy City, and they estimate, again, lots and lots of visitors every year. Chicago Cubs, of course, located here at Wrigley Field, deep dish pizza, and the Chicago hot dog, which is an experience in itself. So keep the food and cuisine in mind. Now, we do have a package, not only, again, 3, 4, 5-day getaways, but we even have Route 66, which is where Route 66 starts. So what a great experience to be able to just start right in Chicago and travel west and follow Route 66, and even have an opportunity to cross over into the Grand Canyon all in one tour. That's Route 66, everybody. This is a great, great rail vacation to keep in mind. And again, independent itinerary, so daily departures all year long. Here we have California, our next area within the United States. Now, of course, California, very near and dear to myself. I lived in California for close to 8 years, and I always say the weather, for those of you that have not had a chance to travel to California, the weather is truly one of the most beautiful places in the world for weather. And in particular, San Diego. Pretty much it's 70 degrees, very little, if not no humidity all year long with a nice breeze. That is San Diego. We have getaways all throughout California, whether it's San Diego, whether it's Santa Barbara, whether it's San Francisco. Lots of great getaways to choose from. Again, you can view any of these exciting packages that I'm highlighting here today or any of our other ones on our website, everyone. So feel free, if you have a pen and paper. Again, that website is www.amtrakvacations.com. Again, www.amtrakvacations.com. Our signature tour to California, of course, is right there on the right-hand side, everybody, and that is our California coast. Absolutely spectacular, starting in San Francisco, heading all the way down the coastline, and ending in San Diego. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely keep that in mind. And one of the last destinations that I'm going to highlight, okay, before we give away our prize and open it up to any questions we may have, is Seattle. Of course, Seattle, home to Starbucks, right? Founded in 1971. Seattle's a vibrant city. Of course, also home to some of the biggest cruise lines in the world that are sailing to Alaska. And again, Amtrak Vacations or your local travel agent can take care of that for you anytime before or after your rail vacation, so keep in mind. Also, Vancouver is not too far as well from Seattle. So speaking of Vancouver, one of the last brand new tours that we just came out with, which I'm very excited about, and I hope you are as well, is Seattle, Vancouver, and Victoria. And of course, Victoria, otherwise known as Vancouver Island, is home to Bouchard Gardens, everybody. Absolutely spectacular. We visit Bouchard Gardens on this tour. You also have a hop-on, hop-off trolley tour in Seattle, in Victoria, as well as in Vancouver. And last but certainly not least, our nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Lots of great vacations, as long or as short as you want, including or featuring this wonderful city of ours, our nation's capital. So last but certainly not least is our seating and sleeping options on board Amtrak. Okay, so let me just highlight this. So as I mentioned, on all of these different exciting packages, everyone, that you have available, pricing is based in coach seating, with the exception of the 2 escorted tours that I mentioned, our Glacier National Park escorted tour and our Northern National Parks escorted tour. Those packages and pricing is based on roomettes. but all the other packages, pricing is always based in coach seating with the option to upgrade to a roomette or a bedroom. So let me just take a minute to explain this real quick for those of you that have not had the opportunity yet to travel with Amtrak Vacations on Amtrak itself. Roomettes for us are by far our most popular. And in saying that, they're also what fills up typically the fastest as well. So my suggestion for any of you today is any packages, any vacations you're thinking of, you're interested in, even for next year, especially to the national parks, everyone, again, give us a call, contact your local travel agent so we can make sure to save you that space in roomettes. Now, the way roomettes work is we have what we call a private yet shared bathroom. So what does that mean? So the bathrooms are not physically located inside of the room itself. As you can see, it's bunk bed style, okay, whether it's 1 or 2 nights that you have. And again, it's all about the experience, the scenery, the sights, the people you'll meet on your journey. But in your train car, which typically has up to 10 roomettes, there is typically 2 showers and 2 toilets per train car. Okay, so you'll have access to use those, and only the people in roomettes will have access to use those. So keep that in mind. Again, also, not only our most popular, but also our most affordable. Many times in looking at our different rail vacations, everyone, to upgrade from a coach seating, which is the main seating, to a roomette sometimes is as low as $50 to $100, up to maybe $200, depending on the journey, depending on the length of the tour, okay? Superliner, roomette, those are located on board all of the trains that head from Chicago out west to California. Viewliners are located on all the trains from Chicago east to New York City. Now, for those of you who definitely want your own private bathroom and shower, then you would want to consider upgrading to a bedroom. Regardless if you upgrade to a roomette or a bedroom, everyone, I can't say enough about this. I think this is a great highlight for all of you and your friends and family. All your meals will be included on the overnight journey of your train, okay? So whatever meals are included or offered during your train ride from wherever you start and or end, you will get all your meals included. So if it's breakfast, again, private chefs are on board. It's a choice of omelets, eggs, waffles, pancakes, bagels, croissants. Lunchtime, chicken club, turkey club, cheeseburgers. Dinner, as you can see, steak, chicken, fish, lots of great options. And speaking of options, again, everyone, over 500 Amtrak vacation stations throughout the United States to choose from. Over 31 million people traveled this past year on Amtrak. And whatever style is best for you, everyone, we have that option, as well as customizing your trip. So keep that in mind. So why travel with Amtrak Vacations? Again, bucket list experience, less hassle, satisfy your hunger, city-to-city service, flexibility, and, of course, room to roam. And as promised, for those of you that were kind enough to take the time to attend today's webinar, we want to say thank you to each and every one of you. So here is our extra special early booking discount. So for those of you that are interested in either of our escorted tours, which I mentioned, either our Northern National Parks or our Glacier National Parks escorted tour, as you saw in the slides, we're offering $400 off per couple. However, because you're on today's webinar, from now until a week from today, which is September 9th, everyone, we are adding an extra $100 off. So instead of saving $400 per couple, it is $500 per couple, otherwise $250 per person, everybody. It is a great opportunity. So I'm going to encourage each and every one of you, depending on which style vacation you're interested in, to please write down the promo code. You will need to have the promo code in order to receive those additional savings. So for those of you interested in either of our escorted tours, everyone, that promo code is AV16ESCEX. Again, that's AV16ESCEX. Again, keep that in mind. And for any of you interested in those select independent rail journeys, which again, travel at leisure, multiple departures daily throughout the country, okay? Select itineraries. We are offering not only our $200 per couple if you book before September 30th, but if you book before September 9th or by September 9th of this upcoming week, it's exactly 1 week from today, we're going to add an extra $100 off as well on independent, which will give you a total savings of $300 off per couple, otherwise $150 off per person. And again, just a reminder, that is booking with a small deposit before September 9th. And deposits, just so you all know, range as low as $100 per person up to $250 per person. Very, very minimal to be able to take advantage of those great savings. So again, give us a call, contact your local travel agent to receive these great early booking discounts. And the promo code for any of you interested in some of those selected independent journeys, that is AV16INDEX. Again, AV16INDEX. So on behalf of Amtrak Vacations, everybody, and myself, Jim Marini, I just want to take a minute to sincerely say thank you to each and every one of you. I want to also mention to everybody that we have a winner to announce, okay? We do have a winner to announce, and I'm very excited about this. You know, I keep saying I think I need a little drum roll on all these presentations, right? So the winner of today's $100 Amtrak Vacations gift certificate is David Makita. David Makita, you are the winner of today's $100 Amtrak Vacations gift certificate. Congratulations. I want to mention again to everyone, if you didn't have a chance to write down our 800 number, please feel free to do that. Certainly to take advantage of that extra $100 savings per couple, whether it's our escorted or independent journeys, or certainly contact your local travel agent. The savings applies regardless how you decide to book any of these wonderful rail vacations, so definitely keep that in mind. And with that in mind, I see we have a ton of questions. Again, over 1,000 people in attendance. This is spectacular. Again, thank you all so much for your time. So let me just try my very best to answer a couple quick questions before today's presentation expires. So first question from Mary: how much is deposit and how does your cancellation insurance work? Okay, so again, just a reminder, everyone, deposit on any of these rail vacations, again, it's as little as $100 to $250 per person, and we do offer a great cancellation insurance, everybody, that allows you to cancel for any reason. It's at an additional charge, very minimal charge. It allows you to cancel for any reason right up until 12 o'clock business day prior. It is so flexible, everyone. Okay, so keep that in mind. Next question from Donald. Can you repeat again how we can travel to and or from any of these rail vacations for 2016? Great question. So again, just a reminder, everyone, you have the option. You can fly round trip if you choose. Again, over 50% of our travelers will fly round trip, or they will travel from your local train station, the one closest to you, to the starting point of any of these great rail vacations, be able to experience the journey, and then either train back home and have it as a round trip experience with Amtrak, plus the hotel, meals, sites, or again have the option to go one way by train and one way by flight. So again, keep that in mind as well. Okay, let's see here. Going through, let's see. Oh, how does your escorted itineraries work for Northern National Parks? Great question. So again, any of the packages that I highlighted, escorted, again, are going to be a little more structured with a tour manager. Those are departures usually once or twice every week or two, whereas independent, there's daily departures. But again, I can't stress enough, everyone, certainly with all the excitement going around with national parks, the national parks in particular is booming, and space is going to be very hard to get. I can't tell you how many times people call us or contact their local travel agent and there's no space available. So if any of the national parks is of interest to any of you, even if it's for 2016, anytime next year, the time is now. Again, give us a call. Certainly if you want to take advantage of those extra early booking discounts, and we and/or your local travel agent will help you plan a trip of a lifetime. And again, you have that option to customize any of our trips as well. So with that in mind, everyone, I know we've gone a little bit over with time, so I don't want the presentation to expire, so I just want to sincerely say thank you to each and every one of you today. This is definitely one of the best and biggest turnouts we have had in national parks, and traveling on Amtrak with Amtrak Vacations or through your local travel agent is the way to go. So with that in mind, everyone, have a great rest of the day, and we hope to see you and your friends and family on board soon with Amtrak Vacations. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.